Welcome to Guess the Animal! Today, we're venturing into the hot, dry desert to uncover a remarkable animal. Are you ready to play? Let's begin! Here's your first clue. Look at this close-up image of sandy-colored fur. This fur color helps the animal blend into the desert environment. Can you guess which animal this might be? Think about it for a moment. Your next clue, this animal has humps on its back. These humps store fat, which can be converted into water and energy when food and water are scarce. Does this give you a hint about which desert animal it could be? Here's another hint. This animal can survive long periods without water, making it perfectly adapted to life in the desert. It's often called the ship of the desert because of its ability to travel long distances in harsh conditions. Do you know what it is? Let's recap. Our mystery animal has sandy-colored fur, humps on its back, and can survive long periods without water. Can you guess what it is? Shout out your answers! If you guessed a camel, you're right! Camels are incredible animals that thrive in the desert environment. Great job, everyone! Did you know that camels can drink up to 40 gallons of water at once when they find a water source? They also have long eyelashes and ear hairs to protect them from sand, and their wide, padded feet help them walk on the hot desert sand. Camels are truly fascinating creatures. Guess the Animal! We hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting animal adventures. See you next time!
Goodbye!